got these super cute dish towels from Walmart, and when I saw them I was like super excited because they're just so cute, and I just thought like these would make really cute pillows. So this one is just the black buffalo check, and this one has like the camper. This one says North Pole reindeer sleighs, warm blankets and hot cocoa, and then it has the red buffalo check. So I am probably gonna have to cut them up a little bit, which makes me nervous, but I'm gonna do this super easy. I'm not gonna use my sewing machine. I normally would, but I just don't really feel like getting it out, and also I want this to be something that everybody could do, and so I'm just gonna use a hot glue gun. So if you are interested in seeing how I make these pillows, then keep watching. So I just tried to iron the towels. I mean, obviously there's still some wrinkles in it, but I think it'll be okay. I am going to cut, I believe, yeah, like right about here on this line, just so that it fits my pillow form. And you know, this rectangle shape is kind of awkward. I would make it work had this design been over here. Okay, I'm just gonna start off by cutting along the edge of this red buffalo check pattern. I tried to just follow closely on that line, and that worked out pretty well for me. Now I'm just flipping it over and I'm going to cut the other side. I'm cutting the white part of the towel here, and I'm just making sure to stay as close as I can to that red buffalo check edge, just so that I get a nice straight line. Now I'm just going to take my glue gun and I'm going to glue one side at a time. I worked in about like at an inch or two at a time and just glued, and then pressed it together and kind of tried to line it up as best I could, and then I would move along to the next section. So I'm obviously going to do the 3 sides of the square of the pillow first, and then once I am ready to do the top part, I'm going to start putting in the batting or stuffing. I am now stuffing the pillow with some, it's actually from an insert, a pillow insert that I am no longer using, but you could use polyfill or you could use the pillow insert itself if it is the right size. Once you have your pillow stuffed the way you like it, you just finish off by gluing the edge completely, and that's it. Alright, now we're going to do the second pillow. I love the black and white buffalo check on this one. I had to get it because it is so cute. It's so in right now, and I just can't help but love it because everybody else loves it, and I can see why. It's really neutral and perfect for lots of different seasons. So when I saw these towels, I had to get them, and I also love the front. It's got a little watercolor scene with a little camper on it, which is really cute. So I'm just going to do the same thing that I did last time. I am just gluing one edge at a time, one side at a time, whatever, just gluing them and making sure they line up. I really wanted to make sure that the edges were lined up so that it didn't look wonky. I didn't want it to look like it was glued, which can be kind of difficult, but like I said in the beginning, I really wanted to glue it because I wanted this to be a DIY that anybody could do, because almost anybody has a hot glue gun, and it's definitely a lot cheaper to buy a hot glue gun than it is to buy a sewing machine. Also, my sewing machine is not working right now, so that's another reason why. I just wanted to quickly explain what I'm doing at the top here. So I'm filling in, after I've done all 3 sides, I am filling it with polyfill, and then I am slowly gluing a little bit at a time on the top while I add more fill to it, and then I leave like maybe 3 or 4 inches and fill it as much as I can, and then I glue the top completely when I am ready to be done and when I like how it looks. So that is it. I hope you guys liked these pillows. I really love how they turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!